नमस्ते एवरीवन। भगवान गौतम बुद्ध ने कहा है, पानी को कस कर पकड़ोगे तो वो हाथ से छूट जाएगा, उसे बहने दो, वो अपना रास्ता खुद बना लेगा। कभी कभी परिस्थितियाँ जब समझ में ना आए तो जो कुछ जीवन में घटित हो रहा है उसे शांत भाव होकर बस देखना चाहिए। जीवन अपना मार्ग खुद बना लेगा। सो यू शुड बी like a observer of your life. Sometimes few things in life are not in your control, but due to God blessings, help and guidance, effect of problems can be minimized. Ignorance is bliss until you don't know the karmic philosophy. We already heard that we meet in present incarnation with various people in form of our family members, friends, relatives, neighbors, and teachers, and many more. The worst relation of previous lives will appear in next incarnation in form of very close relation. Means your very bad karmic account will be appear in form of your parent, spouse, and children, and in any close relation. God gives again chance to settle account with them with love, compassion, and understanding, because we accept faults of our children's and of others due to very close relation. But beyond close relation, we never accept faults of others. Sometimes we felt very happy in contact of few peoples, and sometimes become very irritable with talk to some different kind of people. This is due to exchange of aura when we talk and sit together. It is generally observed that if your tolerance level is low, then there is a break of relationship. Sometimes youngsters leave their parents, divorce occur, and many crimes of various level occur. Depending upon case to case, meditation and karmic philosophy teaches us that forgive everyone who did wrong with you. This is not because they deserve forgiveness, but it is necessary to forgive others to make heal first yourself. If you will not settle account with such type of peoples, they will appear or will meet again in future incarnation and will spoil your life again. So it is better to forgive them as much as you settle account with love, intelligence, and with strong karma. If you want to achieve good or settle karmic account, hit with the strong karma. There are two types of forgiveness, inner and outer. Try to forgive others completely. It's difficult, but try to think this way that sometime back I did wrong with them, so in this incarnation I am getting back. Karma is of various kinds, good or bad, direct or indirect. Sometimes people are very smart and clever. They never say directly to anything. They mentally harass the people with the small things or do injury that you can't share to anyone. Some are very straightforward. They shout but internally good. Some are very good outside but internally they are very dangerous. There are various ways to show karma. You must choose between real and unreal, between the right and wrong, between the important and unimportant, between the useful and useless, and between true and false, and between selfish and unselfish. If you will choose wisely, it will build your karma strong. Always choose right at any cost. You should always try to find out the God within yourself and try to listen his voice, and actually which is your voice. Whenever we face some event, consciously or unconsciously, our mind supports or guides us to choose right or wrong. You must not do wrong. It's difficult, but you can transform. Or thinking pattern also creates karma. So be aware of karma on thought level. That should not come in action. Be always true in action. If you cannot tell the true or false, so it is better to be silent. Be patient and tolerable. Every answer you will get. Just wait and watch. You must practice desirelessness to make yourself free from rebirth. Avoid gossip. Unnecessary and foolish talk is an extremely wicked action. person in front of you is unaware of your inside thought, but God know all your thoughts. So discuss and share with God everything. Before sleep, you should dedicate or surrender all your good or bad karma to Him. He will take care. You should control your temper or anger. You make yourself less irritable with respect to others' behavior. Calmness of mind should not be affected by others. Thoughts and action should match, but generally it differs. So always pray to Lord of Karma. My guru said the spiritual teaching is priceless, but it never forced. The student is given the freedom to make his own conclusions. Be like water, flow around the obstacles. Be grateful for everything. Thank you very much.